Ooh. You want it? Ooh. You want it? You gotta want it. Come on. Pat just did this in an earlier video. Come on. Oh. Oh. Come on. You gotta get it. You gotta want it. You gotta want it. Attack it. It's an angry bird. It poked you in the face. Oh, maybe Patches wants in on it. Patches? You want in on it like last time? Come on. Which kitty wants it the most? Tigress? Don't just spank it. Jump at it. Jump at it. Whoop, there you go. Oh, I missed. There you go. Keep jumping. Patches, you want in on this too? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my god, you're just landing right on Tigress. Boing. Jump bird. No, let go. Jump bird. Jump. Gotta jump for it. I'm not even swinging it around. Boing, boing. Come on, pretend it's like volleyball. Come on, Patches, you were just into it a moment ago. Tetherball. Oh. 3-hit combo. Oh, you miss. Whoa. Come on, Patches. Don't let Tigress just... There you go. Woo. Oh my god. This is the best part about having cats. Tick. Tock. Tick. Tock. Ticking you off. Tock. There you go. Oh. Backflip. Whoa. Oh, God. This never gets old. Alright, there you go.